It's week 2 of the Imperial Winter Circuit Series here at Hillingdon, sponsored by Velo and Milla. These are the Cat 4s. Off they go in this lovely sunny day. A bit chilly, but a lovely day. That's the first lap. We've already got this London Dynamo rider off the front. He's got himself a bit of a gap. As I say, it's only the first lap. Are they going to chase well? Oh, I think they're slowly reeling back in. For a few laps in, this Dynamo rider's still ahead and he's drawing riders towards him. So I think the speed's gone up considerably. A nice little bit of glory for the London Dynamo rider. Is that over? We're all back together again. Few laps in, this has not been dull, this Cat 4 race. Another attack going on from Stevenage CC. Stevenage rider has still got himself a bit of a gap. Excellent. A lap rider. He's being joined by his teammate who seems to be drawing riders back to them. Stevenage 1-2, Kingston Wheelers joining our breakaway. Riders seeing the danger, not wanting it to go. Well, our little break's over, they're all back together again. Richard and Jack are getting organised. For the Neon Veo Cream 95, I think. Race is split asunder a little bit of pace went into that race. Little Preem has created a little break. We're about 30 minutes into this race. Just had one small incident a little while ago, a touch of wheels on the straight. So, coming up to the 40 minutes to go, we've got that little group away.
Go on, Dad!
Which one's your dad then, Jack?
He's in Kingston Wheelers.
Kingston Wheelers, good. 5 laps to go for our Cat 4s. So 2 laps to go for our 4th Cats. Here we go. Bell lap for our 4th Cats. Nice and fast. Hopefully we'll have a nice safe finish like we did last week. Off onto the grass. And here's our leader. Don't sit up. Careful.